G'day citrus lovers, Dale here, and today on Cooking with Dale we're making something truly special. Finger lime curd. It's like traditional lemon curd but with an amazing Aussie twist from finger lime powder, giving it an incredibly zesty punch. For this vibrant curd, you'll need fresh lime juice and zest, sugar, some whole eggs and egg yolks for richness, unsalted butter, and our star, finger lime powder. This stuff is incredible. Okay, we'll start with some basic prep. You can skip ahead if you know how to crack and separate eggs, or how to juice and zest limes. Cracking eggs on a flat surface instead of a sharp edge reduces the chance of getting shell fragments in the egg and provides a more even break, resulting in larger shell fragments that are easier to remove and less likely to puncture the yolk. The first method you see here uses eggshell to separate the yolk from the whites. The second method, you use a plate and small cup to separate the yolk. This is often considered the easier method. Now the limes. Rolling the limes on a counter before juicing is a technique used to maximize the amount of juice extracted. Rolling softens the fruit, breaks down the juice vesicles within the lime, allowing for easier and more efficient juicing. This method ensures that more juice is released rather than being trapped inside the pulp. In a heat-proof bowl, stainless steel or glass is perfect, lightly whisk your whole eggs and egg yolks. Then simply add in everything else: sugar, our cubed butter, and that amazing finger lime powder. Make sure you zest the limes before juicing using a microplane, or you can shave it off with a sharp kitchen knife. Now that the zest is removed, cut the limes in half and extract the juice. Today I'm using the end of a rolling pin, but you can use any method that suits you. Now add the lime juice and zest, and give it a quick stir to combine. Now we're going to cook this gently over a double boiler. So place your bowl over a saucepan filled with an inch or two of gently simmering water. Really important, make sure the bottom of the bowl isn't actually touching the hot water. We want gentle, indirect heat. And now we whisk. You need to keep whisking pretty consistently. This prevents the eggs from scrambling and ensures the curd cooks evenly. It'll start to thicken up. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, maybe a touch longer. You'll know it's ready when it's noticeably thickened and generously coats the back of your spoon. If you draw a finger through the curd on the spoon, the line should hold its shape. If you have a thermometer, you're looking for about 80 to 82 degrees Celsius. Once it's perfectly thickened, take the bowl off the heat. Now, this step is optional. But if you want ultra silky smooth curd, you can pour it through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl or jar. This will catch any tiny bits of cooked egg or zest. Look at that vibrant, glossy finger lime curd. Let it cool completely, and it will thicken further as it cools. Store it in the fridge, and it's perfect for tarts, spreading on toast, or with scones. A true delicious treat using amazing Aussie flavours. Thanks for watching.